event of Manufacturing Maestro has been a very great and an important event, and given us a true overwhelming inspirational encouragement.
Anand Mulay, owner of Renuka Tools, was felicitated as Manufacturing Maestro by Vrushal Fundis and Prashant Narvade. Manufacturing Maestro celebrates the achievements of precision machining organized by Machine Maker and its 8 industry partners.
Passion stems from certain amount of validation that you get, and I would like to congratulate Anand for this validation that he's getting from the market, and I wish him all the success up ahead.
This is a validation of your efforts which you have done here, and I think many more yet to come in future. Thank you very much for your efforts.
I thank Machine Maker, the team, the sponsors, and all the guests here who have come, taken out their valuable time. It was an amazing experience getting together with all the industry leaders of the city, and I am deeply touched by it. Thank you so much. I'm sure that these events will continue in future and will add a lot of value to the Indian manufacturing sector.